everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Glassdoor application on your Android device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Glassdoor and search. Once you find this Glassdoor job search and more application displayed on the screen, simply tap on the install button to begin the download for the application. Glassdoor is an American website where current and former employees anonymously review companies. With the platform, you can search millions of jobs and get the inside scoop on companies with employer reviews, personalized salary tools, and much more. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app on your Android phone. You can now go ahead and continue logging in with a Google account or with an email, and you should be able to access your account. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.